Customer Portal is integrated with your Shopify store's order status page. This page is presented to the customer after they place their order and can be reached through the View Order button in their order confirmation email. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and test Customer Portal in your store. We'll start by first adding the Customer Portal snippet to the order status page. And then we'll show you how to easily create a test order to ensure that everything is working. And don't worry, as long as the Customer Portal is not enabled, you can test as many times as you need without worrying about affecting your live customers. Let's get started. In your Shopify admin, open the Cleverific Order Editor app. Then go to the Customer Portal settings, scroll to the Install Customer Portal section, then click on the Customer Portal snippet to copy it to your computer's clipboard. Next, click Order Status Page to open your Shopify store's checkout settings. Scroll down to the Order Status Page section and simply paste the snippet into the Additional Scripts text box. Important: you must click Save to save your changes. That's it. Installing the Customer Portal snippet is now complete. Even though the Customer Portal is installed in your store, it is not yet enabled to allow you time to test your setup with Cleverific and any other Shopify apps that you might be using. Until you've enabled Customer Portal, the Edit Order button will only appear on test orders in your store. To create a test order, click the Create a Test Order button. This will create a test order containing a few sample items from your store. Click View Test Order to open the order status page for the test order. From here, you are viewing the order in your store as your customers will and can test any changes before you go live. If you need to confirm anything in the admin or delete the test order, you can easily find the order in your admin's order list. When your testing is complete and you are ready to go live, return to the Customer Portal settings and flip the switch to enable Customer Portal for all your customers. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our help docs for more information. For free setup and training, email us at support@editorder.net.